Hey, Brandy, just thought I'd go ahead and record this. It would be easier to just show you this. I just got done working out, so excuse how I look. But yeah, so if you wanted to do like a paid summit, essentially what you would go to is when you're setting up your summit, like the way to think of this is like almost two steps. You want to be able to still collect the lead and then make the sale. Like, so maybe they're like, oh, I'd like to participate. You know, they opt in, but then they don't end up buying. They don't get access to the actual summit, but you've still collected the lead. You can market to them to try and make the sale. That's kind of how we have this set up. So what you can do is inside of the membership levels, this right here, which we almost always say, never uncheck this. You know, I always say, don't uncheck this. The reason for this is this allows the presentations to be seen or not seen. Okay, so let me take one step back. So instead of doing it like a normal free summit, you're going to have your not paid and then your paid. So it's not necessarily free. It would be not paid and paid. So in your not paid, you would unselect this, and you're going to see here, removing presentation access to a membership will not allow attendees to view any presentations, okay, before, during, or after the summit. So what that means is if I unclick this, even if the person opts in, the attendee opts in, when they go into the membership or when they go into the summit, they're not going to see any presentations. The presentations won't be listed there until they upgrade. So now you'll need to think about your copy on how you actually write your copy and things like that. One moment here. Okay, sorry about that. So meaning they'll opt in, but unless they pay, they don't actually get access to the presentation. So let me actually just show you that. What I mean by that is if I unclick this, let me see if it'll actually show it here. I am the host. Okay, so it's not going to show it because I'm the host. I get access to everything. But essentially, that when they opt in, if this level here has no access to presentation, they will not have the presentations listed here. They won't be able to access them. They won't even be shown here. Now, when they purchase, they would go into this level, which here you would then add presentation access. So then the presentations would be available. So after they upgraded or purchased, they would then go in, the presentations would be immediately available. So that's how you can do like a paid summit that's not free, is it's based here on the memberships. Okay, so this first one is going to be non-paid. The second one would be paid. Your non-paid membership, you would remove the presentation. Remember, you only remove the presentation if you don't want the people in that level to be able to see or have access to the presentations. So how this actually works is when they go to the landing page, when they go to the summit, they opt in, then they're going to see the sales opportunity to purchase the all access pass or whatever you're going to call it, the summit offer. And you need to make sure it's clear in that if they do not purchase, also on your landing page, that this is not a free summit, there's going to be a price point. You can even show on, depending on which page builder you're using. If you're just using the basic page builder, you can actually put the pricing box on there. Like one of the layouts, the themes, or of course, if you're using the Summit page builder, the actual customized, you can put the pricing boxes there as well. So again, I just wanted to mention that it's actually pretty simple, and a lot of times people make the mistake inadvertently without trying to do a paid summit of removing this presentation access here. But that's actually how you would control it. If they haven't paid, they won't get access to the presentations. Once they pay, they will then they would be put into the second membership level, and then the presentations would be available. And again, the software does that automatically based on the purchases. So hopefully that helps answer your question. If you have any other questions, just let me know and I will help you.